Hello, my name is Mariana Escalante and I am a student of the degree in English in the University of Secar. The name of this work is Intonation Workshop. Title: What is volleyball and how it is played? Volleyball is a sport that is played with a ball that is moved between two six-component teams parted by a central net. What is the objective of the game? Pass the ball from one side of the net to the other and prevent it from falling to the ground. The moment the ball stops being in contact with any area of the human body to touch the ground, it is a point for the opposing team. Of course, the same team cannot touch the ball more than 3 times without passing it to the opposing team. As the team gets points, it goes around in the position of the field. Among its characteristics is that of being able to carry it out both indoors and on outdoor sport courts. Volleyball matches are played by the best of 5 rounds or blocks of 25 points that are received per set. The moment one of the two teams accumulates 3 sets won, they win the match and the confrontation is concluded. Here we got some pictures like example. There are the positions and those are the example what is the way to play that. Thank you.